because that's your one chance. The next time I say your name will be to give you a different seat. So, this week, just to give a little bit of small incentive, and because I have plenty of dum-dums left right now, we will give suckers to our winning class from this week. Now, by winning class, like we talked about last week, that'll be when we check our LearnStorm progress using the little LearnStorm tracker thing. We will do that on Friday. Friday is also going to be a special day because if you look over there, if you filled out your plain book this morning, Friday is going to be doc day, short for documentary. We're going to have a bunch of different choices of which documentary would you like to go watch, kind of because we know it's the day before spring break, things are going to be a little weird, but also because we want to encourage you guys, you aren't only learning when you're at school, right? Once you get beyond school or over summer, over spring break, whenever your time is yours, you have the opportunity to learn if you want to, right? And I forget who it was bragging during, or not bragging, no brag, just fact, but during forum saying they were at Science Day or something, they didn't know how to do something, they watched a YouTube video, figured it out, learned it, and then did it. So Friday is already going to be different, but let's talk about Khan Academy. So if you're not looking at your computer, pull it up or look at a neighbor's computer. When you go on to Khan Academy, there is independent progress that you can do on your own, and there is assignments that I have actually assigned to you. Now, some of you, I'm just now creating your mastery goal, because if you weren't logged in with me before this morning, just give me a second because we're all going to go look at mastery goal in a minute. So, on your Khan Academy page, hey Raphael, if you're not looking at your computer, you should be looking at somebody else's. On your Khan Academy page, let's all, just to get to the same spot, click on Khan Academy up top. It's going to take you to some kind of home page, but then click on your username at the top right. Click on Learner Home. I'll wait for you. I'm giving directions.
Can't I just wait?
Well, considering my directions were just do this and click on that, no, you cannot just wait.
No.
Learner Home, top right. Learner Home. Any issues getting there? Issues or you're there. Issues. Click on your username. Click on Learner Home. Click on your username, Learner Home. Yeah, so this is where we want to be, but I was just also showing you guys you can just go right here. And that's the same thing. Yeah. So you should also have something else that pops up here for course mastery, which is what I'm trying to figure out right now. And it might be because you just synced up with me. There we go. I need to refresh again. All right, hey guys, you need to actually listen and care about this for a moment. And guys, I'll give you more time to finish your mastery tomorrow if you need. I will give you more time to finish your mastery tomorrow if you need. I just need to make sure we all understand this because your homework for tonight is on this. Moss, you awake? Do you need to stand up? Stand up. Because your eyes are halfway shut. Sit back down whenever you want, but if we're half asleep, we're going to stand up. I had a teacher that used to make us do jumping jacks. I won't do that. But on your homepage, your learner homepage, you should see course mastery and assignments. Click on assignments. Click on assignments as you all sit, do nothing, and stare at me. You have assignments with due dates. Those due dates are actually for real because there are only 4 questions in each of these assignments. And most of these we probably already know how to do, or we should. If we don't quite know how yet, we might need to get some help. But let's everyone just click into rates with fractions. Notice that it tells me I only got 4 questions in this activity. That's it. Look on the left-hand side, right before this activity, there was a video. Maybe you've watched it, maybe you haven't. You can go back and watch it if you want to. Maybe a teacher last year had you. But if I don't care about that and I just start my activity, So I start my activity. How many acres does she harvest per hour? Now, if I don't know how to figure that out, what can I do here? How do I get to that? Click on what? Well, okay, so I could go back to the video here. What if I don't see that? What if that thing, notice this little arrow over here, guys, you can drop this away or bring this back. What if that's not there? What else could I click on? The blue, right here, guys, everyone find this on your page where it says stuck. Click on the blue. If you are stuck on a Khan Academy problem right here from this website, now notice the video it wants me to watch is the video that came before the lesson. But I could also just click get a hint. I could get one singular hint or one at a time for like this problem. So if I still need another hint after I read this and think about it, I can get another and another and another. All the way up until normally the entire final answer. Wow. Yeah, I know. So I've been kind of pushing back against computers ever since we've gotten back into the classroom. I wanted to do work on paper and not have you guys staring at screens all day long. But this is where we're shifting to. And it gives you that nice, like, kind of victory noise. It's got confetti that comes out. Now, I will say, if you're doing Khan Academy at school, mute your computer or put in headphones. Your friends, as much as they want to celebrate with you, they do not want to be hearing bleep, 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 like all over the room. Yeah, that's as good as that is. We might drive each other crazy from doing that. So either you need to turn your volume down or wear headphones. Any questions on how you get to what is actually assigned to you? You can click learn, like click on your username, click learner home, ba-doom. And then I click on assignments. Now everyone come back here. Even if you're in the middle of that assignment, it doesn't matter. Come back here to like this screen where you can see it say My Course Mastery. To check your course mastery, you just come here and it tells you how close to mastery on 7th grade. What's May 23rd?
The end of the year.
Yeah, essentially the end of the school year. I think it's actually on the 24th, but shouldn't probably put due dates on the very last day of school. That would be silly. But if you click on this, click on 7th grade. And I'm actually going to pop back into here right now because I took some screenshots on purpose. Guys, check this out. When you click on your course mastery, it brings you to like the whole 7th grade page, and it shows me why my mastery is at what percent it's at. If I want it to be higher than that, which we probably do, and 15% is not great. Guys, this has nothing to do with intelligence. Look up here real quick. This has nothing, it was on the other screen, but your course mastery has nothing to do with intelligence. It's what you've done in Khan, which hasn't been much this year. So we can level up real fast if you take mastery challenges. If you want to try to get your mastery to climb a lot faster, do mastery challenges. This mastery challenge is only 6 questions. Or if you're feeling like you weren't quite ready for this stuff and you're like, yeah, no, I'm in over my head. Step back. Go to get ready for 7th grade. You will still earn points for your class for that. I went into Khan and I told it, let the get ready for 7th grade stuff count. So if you do get ready for 7th grade, it's still counting towards our homework contest. Okay, so you can either, if you want to work on your own pace, you can do mastery challenges, or like what is your homework is the assignments with the due dates. Okay, the assignments with the due dates. So if we come back to our learner home, right, and I go to my assignments list, I've got some due dates because this is also what we're doing in class tomorrow. Hence why I've got a few assignments due tomorrow night. This is also what we're doing in class tomorrow. You all right? No? Okay. All right, we got like a minute. code from me. I probably need that back. Aside from that, we can probably just start packing up. Reminder, we got hand sanitizer in the back room right by the exit door. I need your test back. So I just need to put it in the bin. I'll give them back to you tomorrow, but I'm real scared that you'll lose it if you take it. So I need your test back if you haven't turned it in yet.
Did you finish? No. Okay. I'm literally have like a couple. I'm on the last question. Same. Finished. Since we both go to Destin Youth,
I gave you the advice that I have to give you. I made this test.
we go with
Correct?
my
Like somebody else
whole
made
family.
this test. Okay, why you not?
That's the one. No, I don't really have. One day. Well, I do have cousins. But it's kind of zero. They're all
Well, that's a lot.
So it's your family and your friend.
There's my family. I have my nana and then next to my grandma, grandpa.
Are you going over spring break?
Answer that question.
Yes, to be fair, you haven't even had it.
Point, but still, it's my ballad backpack.
What chapter are you on for now?
I forget.
Have you passed that
Time to go, guys.
comic part? Like a while ago?
Oh yeah, I passed that already.
A while ago? Like what do you mean by a while ago?
Like last time I read, like I got my.
I'm not freaking out.
Oh, that's not.
You are.
That's
when you
not-
don't tell your mom. Yes, you are.
Yeah, but like.
A while ago. What does that mean? Like how much days ago?
I will slow these things down if you need to, but I need to light a fire under some people's butts. We do have some stuff we need to do. This is your home. Each assignment's only 4 questions. You only have to get 3 of them right. Nope. That's a lie right now because you haven't had enough time to try it. You do know how to do that stuff. You just need to give yourself time to try it. No, she needs time. What's up? Oh, never mind. I figured out he's was linked up with us. I found him after I got everyone else sorted out. So thank you. I appreciate that. But I found him. So if you're in touch with him today, just say I changed his username and he can watch the class video if he wants. Hi Christian. Hope you're doing well. Feel better, dude.